So I welcome you all to Hall B, and we would in some time begin with our breakaway session 1 at Hall B, but we begin our endeavors for this particular hall with a presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, this presentation is going to be on ensuring the uninsured, building protection for India's undeserved. And may I request CTO Coverfox, Mr. Piyush Ranjan, to kindly join us onto the stage and present the ideas to everyone.
Hello everyone. I know this is post-lunch session, so it will be a little slow for everyone. But I would like to, make it a little bit interesting for people, specifically in distribution space, microfinance, small finance banks, and NBFCs. This presentation basically covers a new idea that we have, which is called Coversati. We are already live with this platform with multiple of our partners in the microfinance space. Coversati is a idea to basically understand how we can increase the penetration of insurance along with the lending, the lending ecosystem, and keep it in a do it in a fashion which makes it very cost effective as well as scalable, right? So this is an opportunity. It's a huge opportunity, and in my view, because the number of loans that we service every year is very large, but the insurance penetration, specifically the livelihood insurance penetration, is very low, below 10% of that number. We have crores, tens of crores of loans given every month, every annum, and the number of lives insured is in single digit of crores, right? So let me start by this presentation to give you an idea what I am proposing. So let's first understand what really stops the insurance penetration to be as deep as loan penetration is, right? First is awareness. There is less awareness about the products that can be, and about the pricing of the product, the features of the product. And insurance products are essentially a little bit more complicated, right? There is also no cost-effective way to disburse this in insurance products when it comes to micro insurance specifically, because the kind of commissions you get on these products are rather very low, and building a separate distribution channel for insurance doesn't make any sense. Incentives are not aligned. Claim experience is a major piece, which is also a big problem. Once you have a bad claim experience due to the complexity of the product or due to documentation not being there, it can have a very negative view in your mind. And I feel a very important part is that there is no doorstep delivery. You need to buy it online, or you need to go to an agent to buy it, and the agent is typically interested in selling large ticket size insurance. There are very few actually micro insurance products available in the retail channel at all, right? So you can see that there are 14 crore loan accounts in the country right now, and less than 10% of them, these people are actually insured in some form or fashion. So let me introduce you to the idea that we have, which is Coversati. Basically, imagine that every NBFC, small finance bank, and MFI agent can now offer protection also, along with the loan that they are disbursing, right? And it could be due with the loan, or it could be in between the loan collection cycle also, right? So Coversathi is basically a simple and intuitive interface that can be there on the loan agent's app or the tab, right, that they carry. It will have instant, it has instant policy generation and renewal dashboard. It is available in multiple languages, and you can also track your earnings and commissions as an insurance agent that you are selling. Um, right? So these are some of the products that we have available on this app right now. You can read some of them: personal accident, critical illness, vector-borne diseases, hospi cash, vehicle loans, and so on and so forth. And the good thing is that you can actually club some of these and not sell individual of all of this, but also aggregate of all of this. So you can sell hospi cash and a snake bite and a personal accident and a critical illness together as a single offering, right? And in fact, that's one of our main product, which is called Sehat Suraksha, which has 6 of these benefits combined together in a single product. And this is something that the platform offers as a very generic capability, so that you can mix and match products and sell them in a single shot, right? Because, for instance, a personal loan of 30 rupees doesn't make any sense with a 2 or 3 rupees of commission. But if you aggregate all of them together, then it becomes a more comprehensive protection also, and as a ticket size also it starts making sense. So some of the key features are that there is instant policy generation. So we have direct linkages with the insurance companies. We use their APIs to issue the policy immediately. So there is no waiting period in terms of policy issuance involved. Also, we connect with the fourth point is where we connect with the microfinance or NBFC core systems and make sure that all the data, customer data, is pre-filled as the user is, the loan agent is actually trying to issue the policy. They don't need to fill anything. There is no data entry involved. Only a OTP-based mandate will be needed, and that's it. Apart from that, they can either take money of the premium in cash or through an UPI mandate, right? And this makes it very, very easy for a loan agent whose life is already very busy to make sure that they don't spend more time, issuing, filling all of the form, a complex form, a lot of details that the user might or might not have handy, but already present in the loan system of the MFI or NBFC. So we directly connect with your banking system and make sure that that data is available for the loan agent. This is where the moment of truth comes. The claims are made easy. The claim can be raised by the loan agent themselves. And we have enough safeguards built in to make sure that there is no fraudulent claim initiations happen, because then we have branch manager or the a regional manager overview, and then HO also has to approve, and with all the documents which are also read by an AI system to make sure that all the documents are in place. So the claims disbursement is a straight through processing. There is no check needed at the insurance end, because we already pre-check everything in the app itself. Incentives is another big piece, let's face it, and we make sure that the incentives are credited on a T+1 day basis. So next day the agent would get their incentives. We also make sure that the agents, if there is a hierarchy involved, and then the commission, basically incentives need to be paid to every part of that of hierarchy, then we make sure that that is configured in the system in the same way, and the commissions are, or the incentives are given to the to the hierarchy, right? So yeah, so that's about Coversathi. It is a movement to protect Bharat. We make sure that we want to make sure that with this 90% untapped opportunity of loan accounts, which are, or the customers which are not covered today, can be covered by every MFI, NBFC, and small finance bank in a very regulated legal manner, right? And that's our promise. That's our proposition. Would love to show you the app at our stall, which is just outside the door. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much for sharing those details with us, ladies and gentlemen. That was a presentation on ensuring the uninsured, building protection for India's underserved by Mr. Piyush Ranjan, CTO, Coverfox. Thank you once again.